Hi guys. So today for social studies, you are going to be working with maps some more. You will be watching a video about maps, and you'll also be you'll have a chance to make a map of your own bedroom. That will be on Google Slides, and there's some different items that might be in a bedroom that you can drag onto the screen, and you'll put them where they would be if they were in your bedroom. So to make it look like your own bedroom, and then you'll make a map key to go with it. So I made a map of my bedroom. I did it on a piece of paper. And that's an option for you too, if you prefer to make your map and your map key on a piece of paper, and you can either upload it, have your parent help you upload it here in Google Classroom, or just send me a picture of it. That would be fine with me as well. But I want you to remember, when you're making a map, you imagine that it's like you're on the ceiling, or like you're a bird and you're looking at the room from above. So you would be seeing all of the items in your room. You'd be seeing what they would look like from the top. So if you're looking down at like a dresser, you would just see the top of the dresser, like the rectangular top of the dresser, or square, I guess, if it's that shape, depending on what shape it is. If you're looking down at your bed, you would just see the top part, the mattress part of your bed. So keep that in mind when you're making your maps and what it would look like. So here is what my map of my bedroom looks like. I drew it with a pencil on a piece of paper. All right, let me try to hold this up nicely in front of the screen for you so you can see it. Back up a little bit. Okay, so here is my bedroom, and I gave it a title. The title is My Bedroom. And on the bottom, I made a map key. So you can see all these funny symbols on my bedroom map, like this and this, and then these up here, but you might not know what those are, what they stand for, unless, remember, you look at the map key. The map key helps tell you what all of the symbols are. So here, try to hold this a little closer so you can see it better. So right here, this tells you that anytime you see this symbol, it's a dresser. So can you spot, I have two dressers in my room. Can you spot the dressers on my map? So there's a dresser here. And then there's another dresser here, right? And then if you look, let's see, right here, it tells you that little symbol with the crisscross lines are windows. Do you see the windows on my map? So I have a window here, and then another one up top right there, windows in my bedroom. And if you look at my map key, you can see this is a closet. Sorry, the light's not great. This right here is a closet, so my closet is right there. This is a bed, so you could probably spot my bed. It's the biggest thing in my room. And then if you look over here, those little rectangles right there are nightstands. You can see nightstands on both sides of my bed. And then right there, that's the symbol for a door. So I have a door right here that goes into the hallway of my house. And then another door right there that goes into the bathroom in my house. So that's what my bedroom map looks like with my map key. I hope you have fun making your bedroom map. And don't forget, you're imagining looking at your bedroom from above, like if you were a bug crawling on the ceiling in your bedroom. That's how maps are usually made. Okay, have fun, boys and girls.